friends, running kimono, so I'm super hyper. This was a really good deal today. I got a $60 basket basically for free, so it's like my Price is Right moment and a lot of great stuff. Now, in case you missed it, yesterday afternoon I posted a video where Ibotta has kind of changed a thing here or there and kind of done it in a sneaky little way. If you go to their website where they're saying you cannot use the rebate app with manufacturer coupons, extra care bucks, register rewards, all that stuff included. If you want to go and watch this video, I have a lot of very pertinent information. I've had since about Friday, about 12 of you reach out to me saying that rebates that you've done, even without manufacturers, if you've thrown in a manufacturer, they have been retracted or they've taken the money back. So you don't want to make a mistake and have, the wrong sort of move with Ibotta, because it's a really great app. We're just going to have to figure out new deals with it. But please check out this video if you want the info on this. I didn't use a single Ibotta rebate for this, and this was a terrific basket. So let's jump right into it. As the $60 booster is really a large basket, I'm going to break this down into smaller deals if you just want to go into the store and do some stuff and get some cheap stuff. Let's jump into that. So the Oral-B brushes that are exactly $3, for those of you that love the labels, here it is. Buy 2, get back a $3 register reward. So either buy 2 of the brushes or 2 of the toothpaste. It is your choice. I'm kind of impartial to always getting free toothbrushes because I have some problems. But you would grab either 2 brushes or toothpaste, you pick. Now we have this digital coupon from last week if you did not use it, which is a 3 off of 2. So please make sure you have it loaded to do this deal. Here's the math, guys. Grabbing either 2 Crest or 2 Oral-B, you choose. It's $6. Subtracting that 3 off of 2 digital, you're paying 3 out of pocket, getting back a $3 register reward, making it free. If you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Spend it to earn this register reward. That should work for you. And just to give you guys a quick peek, yes, the register reward did in fact print for me this morning. And here it is with my unmanicured nail. Thumbs up for that. The next deal on dental care isn't as good, but if you love Colgate, this might be one for you. The toothpaste is $2.99, and there are selected toothbrushes as well. My store did not have them in stock, so meh. But I still wasn't going to do this deal because it's just a bit too rich for this girl. As you can see, $2.99, and then you get a $2 in Walgreens cash when you buy 2. Valid right till the end of the week. We have this digital, which is a $2 off. I think in this week's insert too, there's another $2 coupon for this product, but I didn't get any coupons, so I can't really do it. Grabbing 2 of these toothpaste, that is $5.98. Subtracting the one $2 digital, you will pay $3.98 out of pocket. Get back $2 in Walgreens cash, making it $1.98 for the 2, or 99 cents per toothpaste. That's rich, guys, because we usually get it for free. But if you wanted to throw this in a bigger basket, like, spend 40, get back 8, or spend 60, get back 15, whatever, smart. And remember, if you're doing this deal on its own without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Spend it to earn it. Okay, if you like certain bathrooms and part of your homes to smell really nice with these cones, this is a really good deal on these Renuzit cones for 89 cents this week. The regular price is $1.49. Wow. Okay, so this morning we got this digital coupon, which is a buy 4, get 2 for free. So we're going to have to grab 6 for this dealio. So whichever ones you want. If you like your house to smell like apple and cinnamons, or if you want just like a mix and match, you pick. But these are really popular. So grabbing 6 of these, that's $5.34. Subtracting that coupon of $1.78, you're paying $3.56 out of pocket. If you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash, like $3, and pay that 56 cents, by all means, as long as you're not doing it in concert with a booster. Common theme in this video. Now here's something for one of my friends over on TikTok. Grace, if you're watching, guess what? The digital coupon's finally loading for this product. So the Dawn Power Wash this week is 2 for $11. She's probably laughing at her home when she's watching this video. My store only had 1, so I couldn't even do the deal. I just got to look at the one and I guess dream a little bit. This is the digital coupon for the last couple weeks none of us could load, which is a $3.99 off of 2. So it's either off of the Power Washes or the Gain ones or the refill. So whichever one you can find. Grabbing 2 for 11 buckos. Subtracting that $3.99 digital off of 2, you're paying $7.01. You know, if you have a bit of Walgreens cash and you're doing this without a booster, by all means use your Walgreens cash. And it makes them, you know, like $3.50 per. I think it's like $5.99 at most stores for this Dawn Power Wash. And if you know, you know, this stuff is really good for cutting grease. Let's talk about some body wash, shall we? $4.99 for either the soft soap or Irish Spring. You pick your poison. You buy 2 of these, you're getting back a $5 register reward. Well, I kind of wanted the Irish Spring this morning. Here's the tag. I know a lot of you love the tag. And here are my 2 gorgeous, gorgeous Irish Springs. And here's the digital coupon that showed up this morning, which is a $2 off either one or the other. Grabbing 2 of my Irish Spring body washes, that's $9.98. Subtracting that $2 digital manufacturer, I'm paying $7.98 out of pocket, getting back $5 register reward, making it $2.98 for the 2 or $1.49 per body wash. It is okay to use a little bit of Walgreens cash if you're doing this without a booster. And then just to show you guys, the ones that are like, I don't believe you, here it is, a little top there, $5 back off of from Colgate Palmolive. So the register reward, in fact, printed for me. Now, for those of you that are in dire need of hand soap, these smaller ones at my Walgreens are $2.49 a pop. In some larger markets, they're like, I think $1.99, or either the curbside price might be cheaper, but you got to do this deal in store because it's involving a register reward. Earn a $4 register reward when you buy 4 of these products. So, of course, the smaller ones are the best way to go because they are the cheapy ones. So throwing 4 of them into a basket. I love to gift these too. We have a 50-cent digital coupon also that's attaching this week. So grabbing 4 of them, that's $7.47. Subtracting that 50-cent digital, you're paying $6.97. Getting back a $4 register reward, making it $2.97 for the 4 or 74 cents per hand soap. And if you're doing this deal on its own, yes, you can use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down the balance to earn that register reward. Now we're just going to blast through a couple little deals. With this dollar digital, we have this massive Palmolive for $1.49. It's $2.49 this week, but subtracting this digital coupon, it's now $1.49. Also, the Fabuloso is included. I know a lot of you love this floor cleaner. I think it's personally the best. So like $1.49, yes. Also, these fun size candies, they were right at the front of the store in a display for $2.49. I like to throw candy, you know, different, you know, gifts and stuff. So I did stock up on the 100 grand. My husband also likes it too. So a little fun surprise for him one day. I'm going to just hide these. And then also the paper deal of the week is the Scott toilet paper or the paper towel. Buy one, get one 50% off. Last week we got $1 for the toilet paper and 50 cents for the paper towel. So with the BOGO 50% off, it drops it down to $6 for the 2. Photograph that receipt to the Fetch Rewards app. You'll get extra points. Cheap paper, $3 a pop? Yes. I also found this guy on clearance for 53 cents. Belvita has a lot of fiber. My mother is a diabetic. So I thought, you know, this might be a nice little thing for her to have in her purse. They don't expire till next year, so I'm going to hang on to these for a little bit. 53 cents. What a great price. Now we're going to talk about the basket that I did, and I had no intention of doing this, and I did the math about 14 times, and I'm like, yeah, I'm going to do it. 15 back when you spend 60. I also had this guy print out, which is $8 back when you spend 40. So I just thought that was super uber smart, you know. I don't know, $23 back on a $60 basket. Let's do it. So I kind of wanted to test something. Doing 2 deals of the week that involved Walgreens cash, would I get it? Yes or no? So buy 3 Doves, get $5 back in Walgreens cash. Buy 3 Tresemme, get $5 in Walgreens cash. You know what, guys? I got my $10 back. So I don't know. It worked for me. It's not involving a store register reward. It's just buy 3, get X, and it worked for me. So, most of this stuff we've already discussed, but the items that we didn't, I'm just going to show you quickly in the store. The Dove is to buy 3 at $7, get back $5 in Walgreens cash. So there it is. And here I had 2 of these digital coupons, $2 off. And then for the Tresemme, they are 2 for $12. So that's $18. And then $5 in Walgreens cash when you buy 3. And then I had this $5 digital coupon. And then I also threw in from last week from the Angel Soft deal, 2 of these, so I had an extra $6 off. Okay guys, so looking at the mathematics for this, 3 of the Dove body washes is $21, 2 bags of the 100 grand for $4.98, and then 2 of the Oral-B brushes for $6, 1 Belvita on clearance for 53 cents, 3 Tresemes for $18, 2 Irish Spring body washes for $9.98, for a total of $60.49. I got the cashier to scan the 8 back when you spend $40, plus I had my digital booster loaded of spend $60, get back $15. Now I presented 2 register rewards from last week at $3 a pop, so those scanned, $6 off, plus $14 of digital manufacturers for all the items listed above, and I've showed you all the digitals in this video. So I had to pay $40.49 with my debit card. I got back $38 in Walgreens cash, plus $8 in register rewards. This makes it free if you don't want to count the $6 in register rewards that I used from last week's Angel Soft deal. If not, if you look at it a different way, it's a money maker. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance as you're using boosters with this deal. And something weird in this deal, I am $5 over that $38, so I don't know how I got an extra $5 of Walgreens cash for what deal got me an extra $5. I can't figure it out. Maybe one of you very smart guys can tell me in the comments. But yeah, there's an extra $5 floating around, which I don't fully understand, but I got it. Now, I did photograph my receipt to the Fetch Rewards app, and I got back like 310 points, so like 30 cents. Hey, it's better than a kick in the pants. And just to show you guys my 2 gorgeous register rewards that printed, both manufacturers, that's $8 back for the Irish Spring and the Oral-B toothbrushes, so really nice. Before I take off, let's have a quick little giveaway for my wonderful subscribers. To participate, you must be a subscriber. In the comments, tell me where you're from. For example, if you're from Columbus, Ohio, write Columbus, Ohio shopper, and that is your entry. 1 entry per shopper, and the winner will be picked on Friday, September the 23rd. I will pin the person's name in the comments, and they will have 1 week to get back to me so I can send them a $10 Walgreens gift card. This is free to participate, and I wish you guys good luck. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.